Sinong papalit sa'yo?
Let's welcome my daughter, Morgana Go.
What?
Sheshe, thank you for warmly welcoming me as the newest member of the Apex family. Marami akong naisip na projects for Apex at isa na doon ang pagpapatayo ng Women's Center kung saan itataguyod ang kalusugan ng kababaihan. At ipapangalan ko ito sa isang taong napakahalaga sa Apex. It will be called the Moira Rotacio Women's Center.
Excuse me.
Kay Moira talaga?
Why not? That's not a bad idea.
No, wait a minute. Moira died, leaving a very unfavorable legacy. Baka nakakalimutan yung criminal si Moira. And she's wanted. Kaya lang patay na siya. Pero siya ang mastermind ng pagkamatay ng papa namin.
I agree with Giselle. Perhaps we should find someone who's more deserving to name this women's center after.
I wasn't asking for your opinion. My late sister played a great part in this hospital. She loved it. It was her life. Kaya tama lang na i-honor natin ang leadership niya.
No! You can't name anything after Moira in this hospital.
Oh, yes, I can. Malaki na ang shares namin dito. And besides, si Mama ang magdodonate ng building. Hindi ba, Mama?
Of course.
So, it will be called the Moira Rotacio Women's Center, whether you like it or not.
No, wait. You can't do that. Unless the whole board approves of it.
Do we have any objections? Well, I guess you're overruled. So, it will be called the Moira Rotacio Women's Center.